Welcome to my channel Syndicate Academy of English Language, and today we are going to discuss about English, and Ankit is standing over here, and first of all he will speak his introduction and what fields he want to make his career, what he wants to do in his life, and why he is grooming his personality, right? Where he is grooming his personality, why he is grooming his personality, all these things he will give the answer. तो first of all Ankit, you can speak your intro. पहले आप अपना intro बोल दीजिए, आराम से बोलिए, relaxed way में, right? Don't
Yes,
take any
yes.
kind of pressure, okay?
Very sweet good morning to all of you and respected sir. My name is Ankit Gangwar. My father's name Mahendra Pal Gangwar and my mother's name Jamili Devi Gangwar. I belong to Bareilly. At this time, I am learning English language in Syndicate Academy under the guidance of R.P. Gangwar sir. After learning English, I am take a career in exam government sector. Government sector is fixed and permanent and every fixed salary every month. By chance I would not could not like my government sector. I would like to go private sector. Private sector big and wide and money flying in the air.
Yes, you are right. Money is flying in the air in private sector because
Yes.
there is no limit, right? In government sector there is a limit, but in private sector there is no limit, right?
Yes.
So what field you want to make your career? किस
I
फील्ड में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं?
I want to make my career in teaching line because teaching line is the respectful line.
Yes, you are right. Teaching line is the respectable line around the world because this line is respected not only in one country, all over the world, and that's why I am going to choose teaching line. Okay? Why have you chosen teaching line? क्यों आपने ये लाइन चुनी है?
My subject math.
You can say कि I have chosen this line because I want to improve the society. I
Yes,
want
yes.
to improve the students. I want to bring the students on the right path. If in my life I have improved 100,000 lakhs students, that would be very good to me because teacher is the maker of the great personalities. Teacher is the builder of the great societies. Teacher is the builder of the nation, and teacher is the builder of scientists. Teacher is the builder of doctors. Teacher is the builder of professionals. Teacher is the builder of great speakers and great orators. That's why I have chosen teaching
line.
Okay. How much salary are you expecting?
Around 50k to 1
Yes,
lakh.
I am expecting 50 to 1 lakh, right?
Yes.
Do you think about that? Where you want to work in government sector or in private sector?
I want to make both government sector and private sector.
Yes, so you can say my first choice is government sector, and second, if I could not get a job in government sector, then I would like to make my career in private sector. But I want to work very honestly, devotedly and dedicatedly. Wherever I am working, I am not thinking about government sector, I am not thinking about private sector, right?
Yes.
Okay, where are you grooming your personality in English?
I am grooming personality in English in Syndicate Academy under the guidance of R.P. Gangwar sir, and regular practice and reading regular in good books.
Yes. Do you do the practice of speaking English before the mirror? क्या
Yes.
शीशे के सामने आप अंग्रेजी बोलने का अभ्यास करते हैं?
Yes, yes.
तो बोलिए yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I do the practice.
I do the practice
before the mirror
before the mirror because
if you are doing practice,
if you doing practice,
then your tongue is being more powerful and more habitual of speaking English,
And
right?
more.
And after that you can speak English anywhere. Most of the time we fear to speak English publicly because we think that person whom you are going to talk, he would be knowing more English. But if you can start, then you can find out easily, you can exchange all your dialogues properly. And that's why First of all, you should make your tongue habitual of speaking English, because if your tongue is certified, then 100% you can speak English
Yes.
properly. And that's why you should do practice. Do you mooch around in your colony? Mooch around का मतलब है खाना खाने के बाद शाम को टहलना.
Yes.
तो बोलिए yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I mooch around
I mooch around
in my colony.
colony
Because if you are mooching around,
if you are mooching around,
then you can digest your food
you can digest your food
very
easily,
and you can take sound
sound
sleep.
sleep.
So okay, very nicely you have spoken. Please go.